Okay, next component of wellness is financial balance. देखिए, everyone is need money, है ना, बिना पैसों के काम नहीं चलता, and everyone is need job, definitely just to run our livelihood, just to get our bread and butter, we need job, any kind of job, whether it is related to the agriculture or any government job or private job, but financially definitely it's helpful to the wellness. So what we have to do, we have to be money management. Okay, हमें मनी का मैनेजमेंट आना चाहिए. We have to be money management and get out of debt, means unnecessary हमें किसी तरह के ऋण नहीं रखने, ऊपर कर्जा नहीं रखना, because they disturb our wellness, they disturb us mentally, spiritually. So better to get rid from all these debts, and we have to create a good saving plan. We have to just adapt, we have to just like habitual to be in a good saving plan, because these things, if we do these things, then only we can maintain our financial condition. And if we are able to maintain our financial condition, that means we are increasing our balance, because financial balance is a good cause, good component of the wellness. आगे बढ़ते हैं. इंटेलेक्चुअल. सी, इंटेलेक्चुअल मीन्स हमें अलर्टनेस रहना चाहिए, अपने अलर्टनेस ऑफ अ माइंड. वी हैव टू बी अलर्ट ऑल द टाइम्स, एंड व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, वी हैव टू बी क्विक डिसीजन. हमें जजमेंट मेकिंग होना चाहिए, डिसीजन मेकर होना चाहिए, कि देयर आर लॉट ऑफ conditions comes in our life where I have to take judgment decisions independently. Okay, we doesn't depend on others without any big reasons. So we have to be decision making quality. Okay, and learn new skills, and for that what we have to do, we have to learn new skills. We have to just walk with the time. We should not lag behind. Okay, we should always simultaneously walk with the time. As per the times we have to change our decisions. So हमें अपनी इंटेलिजेंस को शार्प करना होगा, हमें न्यू स्किल्स सीखने होंगे. And if we do that, that means we are intellectually balanced and we are increasing our wellness. And the final thing is the environmental. That is the last components of the wellness. Let me give some time. Environmental. Okay, environmental. Environment क्या है? Basically it's because we are living in environment, so our surrounding should be clean. It should be hygienically well. Where we are staying, that should be clean. Okay, we should get nice air. Okay, that atmosphere should not be polluted. If you are living in such an environment where the atmosphere is polluted, then again we become the sick, we became the patients, we can attack by many disease. So environmental plays very big role in our wellness. So it's our duty to maintain the environment. We have to respect the environment. Okay, we have to plant plants. Okay, we should avoid not to cut the trees. We have to respect the forestation. We have to respect the nature, है ना, कि भाई जो भी नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज हैं हमें उसको डैमेज नहीं करना है. Moreover, it's our duty to grow more plants. Okay, then only it is possible to be live in a good, clean and hygienically clean environment. You all know कि जहाँ पे environment खराब होता है, there are lot of viruses, they create automatically and then they start attacking on us. So environmental balance is also plays very big role in the increasing of the wellness. So I covered these all components of the wellness, that is physical, social, emotional, spiritual, nutritional, financial, intellectual and environmental. I hope you understand very well. See you tomorrow.